Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new on my channel, my name is Abidemi Abbas. On this channel, we talk about finance, investment, financial freedom for Africans and Africans in diaspora. So today we're going to be talking about investing in the stock market for beginners. So please continue to watch. So what is stock market? So stock market is a virtual point or place where investors meet to buy and sell shares. And shares is a fractional ownership of company that gives you the rights to future earnings of companies in terms of capital gains or dividend income. So how can you invest in the stock market? You can invest in the stock market by being a passive investor or an active investor. So being a passive investor, you're investing into the index fund. So index fund actually tracks the overall stock market of a country. So for example, in the US, it's S&P 500. So the S&P 500 tracks the 500 top companies in the US, and in the UK, for example, it's FTSE 100. So that is the top 100 companies in the UK. And in Nigeria, it's NSE 30. So that is the 30 top companies in Nigeria. So by you investing in this index fund, you're not doing anything. You're not studying the market. All you just have to do is to just buy the index fund, and it's going to do the work for you. So you can also invest passively through mutual funds. So with mutual funds, mutual funds normally have a fund manager, and sometimes they could be expensive, and this could also try to affect your capital gains. And you can also invest passively in the stock market by investing in the ETF. Right, so you can also be an active investor in the stock market. So when you're an active investor, that means you're buying into individual stocks, that is individual companies. For example, you can be buying Apple, Tesla, or Facebook, or even in Nigeria, you can buy GT Bank, First Bank, or Unilever. But with this could also be very, very expensive, because by you buying into individual companies, you get to pay commissions when you buy, and you get to pay commission when you sell them. Every company that you buy and sell. And for you to be able to do this as well, you need to have a technical know-how. That is, you need to be able to study the market, have a conviction, have the reasons why you're buying, a genuine reason why you're selling. And people tend to do this by using fundamental analysis or technical analysis. So fundamental analysis means you're trying to study the financials of that company, looking at their earnings, looking into their earnings, their cash flows, and the historical return of that company. And if you're trying to use technical analysis, that means you're trying to look into price actions, trying to look for momentum, the support and the resistance in the price action. That is you looking into the chart. This could be this can be very, very tricky. It can be a very, very tough work to do, but a lot of people are actually making money in the stock market by being an active investor. Strategies of investing in the stock market. So a lot of people tend to be a buy and hold investor. So buy and hold simply means you buy into a company, you buy a share with the intention of holding it for a very long period of time. It could be 5 years, 10 years, or even till retirement. So some people tend to buy now and sell in their retirement. So that way they're making money from their portfolio in retirement. So that is buy and hold strategy. So some investors are also day traders. So day traders are mostly active investors. So what they tend to do, they tend to look for a safe entry when they buy and a safe exit to sell within a short period of time. It could be daily, weekly, or even monthly. But with But for you to be able to do this, like I said earlier, you need to have the technical know-how, you need to have your reasons to buy and your reasons to sell. This is relatively risky. So another way to make money in the stock market is by being a value investor. So this is you trying to sell when everyone is buying and you trying to buy when everyone is selling. That's like a contrarian strategy. You're not following what everyone is doing. You have a conviction through looking into the fundamental analysis, looking at all the financial ratios, and that is one of the strategies that most people use. So another well-known strategy is, the growth investor. So growth investors are always interested in trying to forecast the future earnings of companies by simply trying to buy shares at discount price in today's value with the intention that the future value is going to be worth it. Growth investors don't really care about dividend. They don't really care if the companies is actually making money today. What they really care is the future earnings of that company. So how can you start investing today? So you can start investing today by opening a brokerage account. So in the UK, for example, you need to get yourself a broker, and one of the common brokers known to everyone is IG, trading 212 eToro. So with these brokers, all you just have to do is to open an account with them, fund that account, and that way you can start trading. So this is the end of my video. In case you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, subscribe, and let me know what you feel in the comment section down below. Thank you once again for watching.